Good afternoon to you all. Today we will discuss about a novel fuzzy criteria decision making based on interval type 2 pentagonal fuzzy numbers. Now, this is a topic on decision making and which is based on fuzzy numbers. Now, first of all, why do we talk of fuzzy decision making? There have been age-old conflict between subjective rationality and objective rationality. Those researchers, scientists who are in the class of objective rationality strictly follow that rationality is objective. There is no place for perception, subjective experience, emotions, feelings in their objective decision making. On the other hand, subjective rationality researchers who tell that there is a need of subjective experience, subjective feeling, subjective perception when we make decisions, particularly when decision concerns life issues. And therefore, there is a problem, there is a question. Can subjective rationality be incorporated in multi criteria decision making? Is it necessary at all? We try to answer this and come to conclusion that we do need subjective rationality in our decision making. It has a very, very important role to play in a healthy and positive decision making. Now, when we were reviewing the literature on different theories on decision making, in the ancient Greek, Oracle of Delphi was well known practice. Delphi, as we know, is a Greek god, some kind of god. And that time, whenever there was important decision to be made, they approached some spiritual person who was close to God and made a decision. According to Athens, Athenian voting system in decision making was important. Francis Bacon in 17th century introduced inductive decision, reasoning. Then René Descartes, who was very, very strongly believer of objective rationality, and therefore he said the reason alone can help us in decision making. Francis Edgeworth introduced utility theory. F. Ramsay Newman introduced subjective expected utility. V. Pareto spoke of Pareto optimality. And Hermann Simon introduced the concept of bounded rationality, which speaks of we human beings cannot be completely rational, we are bounded. And then Amos Tversky and Daniel Kahneman proposed very important theory of prospect theory in decision making. Now, here we talk of fuzzy multi-criteria and fuzzy numbers. There have been many multi-criteria decision-making methods like electoral, analytic hierarchy process, BCOR, Promethe, Topsis, and ANP. And these multi-criteria decision-making methods were extended to fuzzy multi-criteria decision-making. Now we try to introduce a new kind of model. We call it retreat model. When we talk of fuzzy